diamond painting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share one of Robyn and Ben's newer releases from Distracted by Diamonds. I'm excited to be back with you today. I wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you who have left kind messages, left kind comments, even sent me postcards in the mail and just gone out of your way to be kind to me in the month of November after I lost my little brother unexpectedly early in the month, which of course I will do a whip and chat soon. I'll tell you kind of some more details about what's going on with me, but I did want to say huge thank you for all of those comments. I may not have responded to all of them at this point, but I have read every single one of them. And I can tell you that kindness from other people really makes a difference at a time like this that's really hard. So huge thanks to all of you. You've been a great source of love and light in my life in November. Today we are going to get back into the groove of video making with this beautiful canvas. I did not know this was coming to my house. It arrived on my doorstep on a day when I really needed a little bit of sunshine, and there it was. Robyn always seems to come through with sunshine when I need it. I haven't unboxed a Distracted by Diamonds here on the channel in a little while, and I'm excited to do that today. This new packaging is fun. This is purple and pink and kind of salmon, peach. This is cool. I like this. Robyn knows how to have fun. She really does. All right, so let's get into this box. Now, I will tell you, I have peeked. I have peeked at this. Because, you know, you can't blame me. You can't blame me. All right, there's new stuff in here. There's new goodies in here. I peeked and then I put it back. So, because it was handy. It was a Thanksgiving holiday. I wrapped it all back up so it would be nicely packed and out of the cooking zone. But if it's not quite as nicely packed as Robyn's packing, that's why. This is, of course, the beautiful new release from Bob Doucette called Brambles. Oh, I love this one. Bob is so much fun to work with. He's such a nice person, such a talented artist. He has a really distinctive art style. He is one of my favorite Distracted by Diamonds artists. I mean, I love them all, but Bob's work really speaks to me, So in this canvas so far, this is new because I have not unboxed a Distracted by Diamonds in a long time. We have this cool wax holder case. Oh, inside, there's a little sample of Patty Wax Super Sticky. I think it's a bear's face. That's so cute. Look at that. Love. Patty Wax Super Sticky rocks. It's really great for your single placers. Really great. And some Distracted by Diamonds washi tape. Very cool. These can be little drill trays because look, they have lines in the bottom. How cool is that? As well as being really fun little storage trays. That's awesome. This, I think, does not actually come with kits. This, I think, was a little goodie that Robyn added into my box just to make me happy. So this is Distracted Dimensions Jessica. This is a 3D cover minder with this sassy babe on it. Look at that. How cool is that? So it's like layered and stacked up to make it three-dimensional. Now I did scope out the Etsy store not too long ago, and there are all kinds of different ladies that you can get. Of course, Robyn sent me the one called Jessica because, you know, we Jessicas are sassy, sassy and classy ladies. This has the double magnets on the back, so a very strong hold on those babies. That is so cute. And then also, I think this is a little goodie from Robyn. This is a pink jelly sparkler pack. They're like hot pink ABs. How cool is that? Thank you, Robyn. Thank you for this whole package of happiness. This is so great. So great. Whenever I unbox a Distracted by Diamonds, of course I have to tell you, I am not affiliated with Distracted by Diamonds in the sense that I get any kind of kickback when you shop there. I do work on licensing for Distracted by Diamonds on occasion. I did work on the licensing for this piece, and I did receive this canvas as a gift from Robyn. So I gotta tell you all that stuff right up front. Let's look at this amazing canvas. I know it's gonna be amazing. I mean, I knew it was amazing because I looked at it earlier, but no, I'm struck by its amazingness again. Oh my gosh. Her face is so big. I kind of forgot. It's been a few weeks since I looked at this. All right. There is a diamond painting pen stuck in my, whatever this is. The roll in the middle. The cinnamon roll of drills in the middle of the canvas. We have a drill storage container. Man, Robyn's kits just keep getting like more and more comprehensive all the time. There's more that you need in every single one. Then a little sheet that just was protecting my drills there. Then in place of kind of the statement with, there's kind of a mission statement sometimes for Distracted by Diamonds. In this kit, as you can see, there is a sticker sheet. Let me make sure it's a sticker sheet. Yes, it's a sticker sheet with all the drill colors. Nice and big, I must say. Easier to cut out, perhaps, because the numbers are a little bigger. This canvas is called Brambles, copyright Bob Doucette, and then bobdoucette.com. Do check out his website because you guys will not be disappointed. He has so much fun stuff over there. And of course, there are other products that you can buy to support the artist, and please do that if the spirit moves you, because artists do a lot for the world and they deserve our support. I love the bunny. I am dying over the bunny. This, on the box it says, this is a 52 by 65 centimeter round. So it's big, but not too big. It's not, I feel like 60 by 80 and larger. Those canvases are big. Anything in the 50s, pretty manageable, I feel like. Middleweight canvas fabric here. A lot of black background. If you love 310, this is gonna be for you. But honestly, 310 backgrounds look so amazing. They really sparkle because black drills are just so reflective, and they really make everything around them pop. That's gonna be really, really cool. And we have our little girl. Now your job in the comments below is to name our little girl. So what is her name? If you want, you can even name the robins here, or the birds here, and the bunny. Tell me, let me know. Who are we looking at? Who is she hiding from? Tell me a story. Isn't she rendered beautifully? Okay, this looks beautiful with no drills on. It's going to have quite a bit of color blocking, I think, in the face. I think, to me, it looks really good. It looks really good. I'll keep you posted, of course. Of course. Just so cool. I'll take you out for a long view here in a little bit. Let's look at some colors. I can't wait to start this. I have so many diamond paintings, and every time I get one, I still feel so happy. Tell me I'm not the only one. Tell me I'm not. All right, here are our, oh, that's not 310. Those are 310. Those are 3371. No, that's 938. That's 3371. That's 3371. So there'll be black and brown in the background. 632. There's a lot of brambles. What can we say? They're going to be dark colors. These are not burrito sized bags of 310. These are more like, I won't say what I think these are like. So not as much black actually as I was expecting, but maybe a little more of the dark browns. So I'm thinking all together those are going to create our dark background colors. Some more browns, pre-bag drills. I love pre-bag drills. If you are a fan of brown, this is the canvas for you. Here are our other shades of brown. And here are kind of our other shades of brown. And then we have, I'm guessing what our little girl's face color and our bunny color. Now, do you guys look at this and think, oh man, this canvas is not for me. There's too much brown. There's not enough color. Remember, these colors create really subtle combinations. I think this is gonna look fabulous so far. I'm really excited about this. I don't know how I'm not gonna start this. The only reason that I'm not starting it is because I think I'm gonna start another Distracted by Diamonds right after Christmas. First, I have to commit to, you guys remember that giant magazine cover canvas I have that says Puck at the top? It's like the vintage Santa and the ladies. I'm still not even halfway through that canvas. It has double-sided tape. It has rivers everywhere. I'm not very motivated by it, so it's still not done, but I need to work on that in December. So that's my plan for December, and then we shall see after that where things go. Eek, it's a bonbon! I love it so much! I love it so much! Thank you so much, Robyn. I'm so excited. I hope you guys have really, really enjoyed seeing this canvas. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out today. It has been so much fun seeing you, kind of getting back in the groove. Thanks again for your overwhelming kindness. I don't even have words to thank you the way that I really feel inside. So huge thanks to you. Thanks for hanging in with me. I hope to see you very soon back on the channel. I have some coloring books to debut. I have month 2 of our Moroccan Tile Afghan Club to show you. I have a massive cross stitch update to show you. And of course, I'm gonna have a ton more diamond painting content coming up for you soon. I hope you have a wonderful kickoff to the holiday season if you celebrate. If not, I hope you have a wonderful month of December. I will catch you soon. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.